English Hungarian. Can you equals
Tudsz.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey there. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly guide to quick, memorable language wins. For more goodies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Today we master the everyday superhero phrase, can you equals
Tudsz.
Picture a tiny parrot on your shoulder that only squawks.
Tudsz.
Right before snacks, yep, that's your reminder to ask for help politely. Your goal today. By the end, you'll ask for help like a Budapest pro, clear, kind, and confident. Core pattern. Can you equals
Tudsz.
Gesture. Raise your hand slightly, tilt your head. Can you help? 2.
Tudsz.
Opening parenthesis.
Segíteni.
Closing parenthesis. Can you open the window? 2.
Tudsz.
Opening parenthesis.
Kinyitni. Az ablakot.
Closing parenthesis. Can you explain? 2.
Tudsz.
Opening parenthesis.
Elmagyarázni.
Closing parenthesis. Can you show the way? 2.
Tudsz.
Opening parenthesis.
Megmutatni.
Closing parenthesis. Can you wait? 2.
Tudsz.
Opening parenthesis.
Várni.
Closing parenthesis. Can you speak slower? 2.
Tudsz.
Opening parenthesis.
Lassabban beszélni.
Closing parenthesis. Mini dialogue, cafe chaos. Dive into a noisy cafe scene, keep it polite, keep it funny. A. It's loud here.
Tudsz.
Opening parenthesis.
Lassabban beszélni.
Closing parenthesis question mark. B.
Igen, persze.
And maybe open some air?
Tudsz.
Opening parenthesis.
Kinyitni. Az ablakot.
Closing parenthesis question mark. A. Thanks. Also, I don't get this menu.
Tudsz.
Opening parenthesis.
Elmagyarázni.
Closing parenthesis question mark. B. Sure, I'll even show you.
Tudsz.
Opening parenthesis.
Megmutatni.
Closing parenthesis.
A kedvenc kávédat.
A. One last thing, my friend's late.
Tudsz.
Opening parenthesis.
Várni.
Closing parenthesis.
2 percet.
B.
Igen, persze.
And the parrot on your shoulder is adorable. Pronunciation beat. Clap the rhythm and feel the phrase land. Music loop. Ta-ta.
Tudsz.
Ta-ta.
Tudsz.
Quick rhyme.
Tudsz.
Ha kell.
Tudsz. Segíteni.
Is tudes. Smile as you ask, keep the tone warm. Drills. You ask, they help. Repeat after me, short, clear, confident. Say.
Tudsz.
Opening parenthesis.
Segíteni.
Closing parenthesis. Say.
Tudsz.
Opening parenthesis.
Kinyitni. Az ablakot.
Closing parenthesis. Say.
Tudsz.
Opening parenthesis.
Elmagyarázni.
Closing parenthesis. Say.
Tudsz.
Opening parenthesis.
Megmutatni.
Closing parenthesis. Say.
Tudsz.
Opening parenthesis.
Várni.
Closing parenthesis. Say.
Tudsz.
Opening parenthesis.
Lassabban beszélni.
Closing parenthesis. Culture tip. Polite twists. Sound friendly and flexible in real life. Casual is great with friends.
Tudsz.
More formal with strangers.
Tudna.
Careful with the negative.
Nem tudsz.
Can feel pushy, use a warm tone. In a Budapest cafe, a smile plus.
Tudsz.
Goes a long way. Memory boost. The neon sign. Lock it in with a goofy image. Imagine a giant neon sign blinking.
Tudsz.
Across the sky while a helpful barista gives a thumbs up. If you forget, your shoulder parrot squawks.
Tudsz.
Until you giggle. Quiz lightning round. Quick checks, answer out loud. Q1. What is the Hungarian for, can you? Question mark quote. A.
Tudsz.
Q2. Complete it, can you? To explain, to. A.
Tudsz.
Opening parenthesis.
Elmagyarázni.
Closing parenthesis. Q3. True or false?
Tudsz.
Asks about ability, polite help. A. True. Q4. Formal variant? A.
Tudna.
Q5. Say, can you speak slower? 2. A.
Tudsz.
Opening parenthesis.
Lassabban beszélni.
Closing parenthesis. 1 minute challenge. Ready to level up fast? Go. Ask 3 different people using the base phrase, each with a new infinitive.
Tudsz.
Opening parenthesis.
Segíteni.
Closing parenthesis semicolon.
Tudsz.
Opening parenthesis.
Kinyitni. Az ablakot.
Closing parenthesis semicolon.
Tudsz.
Opening parenthesis.
Megmutatni.
Smile, gesture politely, and keep your rhythm. Wrap up and good vibes. You nailed it, nice work. Today you learned the power phrase can you, equals.
Tudsz.
Plus real asks like.
Segíteni. Kinyitni. Elmagyarázni. Megmutatni. Várni.
And.
Lassabban beszélni.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, stay curious, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more English Hungarian lessons, extras, and laughs with Synapse Lingo.